Hmong.
Yes, I see Hmong. But what is your culture?
It's Hmong.
Tôi sử dụng miền Sai Lao nhé. Sai Lao.
Sai Lao vư.
It's Lao. It's my family name.
Lao.
Sự sai nằm s군 Lao, Sai Lao.
Lao
hay.
Lao. Okay.
Sai Lao thì tham sự lên tư.
I am a Hmong group, and I will explain about Hmong New Year. If I explain something you might not understand, please ask him, and I will explain clearly, and I hope you all understand what I say. Hmong New Year, as we know, we start from November and December, but sometimes if we are too busy, we can start until January, and we are Hmong. There are 18 clans in Hmong. It's not 11, 18.
18. Why? You are Hmong. Since one Hmong, you will have different number.
18 is correct one.
18 is
18. Okay, so you are incorrect.
18, but we use only 11. I only heard.
Usually we know.
Usually you know. What number you have? 18.
18 clans.
Okay.
And like if we are the same group and the same clan, we may not marry together. Like Hmong New Year, if we go to meet some girl that we asking them, the first we must do is we asking for the surname. If they are the same, like me, my family name is Lao. I cannot touch the other girl. The surname is Lao. That's we more must do, because we believe that we did in the past. The elder they did in the past until now. We younger we know that it's very important in Hmong society. And talk about the first day the Hmong start to celebrate Hmong New Year is we have to prepare chicken and chicken eggs. That's very important in Hmong New Year, the first day, and we clean the house in the first day. Everything is clean, and until 4 p.m. we start to we call in Hmong we call kukli, or calling the show of the family, or the family will come to the house, or we get healthy and wealthy. And after that we killing chicken and boiling chicken eggs, but we cannot eat before that, because we must welcome the ancestor before that. Welcome the ancestor to eat before us, and then we can have after that all the family, because all the same day, all the family, each family, they also do the same thing. We do not welcome anybody. So if we have friend, Lao friend or Khmer friend, we can welcome them. But almost they are almost do the same. They killing chicken and like that. We just stay at home. This day very important for Hmong people for New Year. And after that, in the morning, if some family they are very rich, they can killing big porks. If they have a lot of animals, they kill pigs and buffalo. That's for the
Cow.
cow.
It's not buffalo.
It's cow.
You know, more people they prefer to eat cow. It's not buffalo.
Yeah.
Cow, pig, and chicken.
And for just the main points, the very important is the first day for the New Year, and after that we have the New Year it takes place. It's like the village that is very big and a lot of people, and they can celebrate and have fun at that family, that place. But the thing that people have is people do is dressing more traditional clothes to go to have fun with friends. But we call the New Year is take this opportunity for Hmong girl and boys to touch to each other and talk to each other. We know we Hmong working very hard and no time to see each other, and we take this opportunity to talk to each other and meet each other with relatives or with friends. But the main part that is for the girls and the boys to meet each other. If we see we meet the girl, we can throw the ball with the girl. If we throw the ball, or if we asking the girl say yes, I can throw the ball with you. That means the girl very like you and loves you, and you can throw the ball with the girl. But sometimes you ask the king the girl, he rejected that he could not. That means she is not like you, and you cannot throw the ball or touching that girl. That's that's what we did today. And for sports, we also have bullfighting. So archery, how you say archery, and dancing, singing, everything. That's activity in Hmong.
Do you like to see bull fighting?
Not really.
Okay.